Manual teaching of elevator. Proceed to the lift manual operation training and press jog button. Press servo power on and first hum the lift. After homing, the display will show for 165. Press the plus button to move upward. Press the minus button to move downward. To move to a specific value, for example, 600, it can directly command the lift to move to this target position. Once the movement is complete, the display will show 600. Conclude the lift manual operation training and press servo power off. Proceed to the conveyor belt manual operation training. Press conveyor jog, press servo power on. You need to set the speed and select 200. Press start movement and the conveyor belt will begin running. Then press stop and the conveyor belt will halt. To adjust the speed, press stop first before changing the parameter. Select 500, for instance. We can see the conveyor belt running at an increased speed. After completing the commissioning, press stop and then servo power off.